So anyway, SEO or search engine optimization software itself do quite often have a lot of similarities in place. This is something I often see people do wrong in the software, which again is similar to SEO in some cases. Not always, but they do have a lot of similarities in place. For example, if we use website design as an example, we have hypertext markup language plays a big role. If we're going to talk about WordPress, WordPress itself is based on the PHP software, which is like 19 years out of date. That's part of the reason for why I wouldn't really recommend WordPress anymore, because the software itself is very bloated and it's also insecure in most cases. I know you can make it more secure, you can use fancy passwords, you can use security plugins, but if someone is a proper internet security expert or someone that has a hacking background, getting through WordPress itself is honestly not very hard. I'm just gonna be honest with you. But getting into more of a software line of stuff and for how exactly you should consider this with regards to if you're going to use software from company A, company B, company C, or D, whatever, it doesn't really matter. If the software itself hasn't been updated in a few years, in some cases that can mean it's unsecure, it's not as good as it used to be, or it's not being maintained. When you're doing software work, you want to make sure the software you're buying, you're using, is getting maintained on a regular basis. Say every week, every month, every 2 months. You want something which is regularly updated. That doesn't mean it has to be getting updated every day a week. That's too much in a lot of cases, but it's getting upgraded. For example, one of the best SEO software in the world, which I believe it is the best, this in my opinion, you can agree or disagree, would be Scrapebox. Scrapebox itself is basically the best software in the world in almost all cases. You see, it says the Swiss Army knife of SEO. It is. You can do anything with it. You can simply do check if a site's been hacked. You can find backlinks with it. You can do upgrades to how exactly your function as a business. You can use it to scrape emails. You can use it to do social media work. You can use it to do basically anything. That's why, in general, Scrapebox itself is the best. The people behind it are fantastic, very smart, very helpful, very kind. It's a software that's just always getting better. It's also a lifetime deal, meaning you buy it once, that's you good. But please be aware, if you're going to buy Scrapebox, I would strongly recommend you buy the other extensions or other parts that are added on or plugins, depending on what to call them. This can be simply to make things make it run faster. This can be because you want to do the social media work. So it is worth you buying once. But you might think it's sort of need everyone. It's like everything, it depends on your preference. I mean, for example, they have a YouTube feature add-on. I don't think that's necessary, but if you need YouTube feature stuff, then hey, get it. If you're going to be doing Moz stuff, then it might be worth you buying a Moz extension. If you're going to be doing ChatGPT stuff, then it may be worth you buying an extension. As a whole, I bought all the add-on features. The only one I haven't bought so far would be the Moz ones. I don't really use Moz much, and also ChatGPT. I don't really use it that much for my SEO work. But if you have a need, you feel it's good stuff, then get it. Anyway, that's all the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good weekend.